G'day guys, Greg here. Now in my hand is the latest offering from KFC. The Tower Burger! Now they brought this out a few years ago and I thought it was pretty good. I've done a review on it before, but I better do another one again because, well, it's KFC, isn't it? And why wouldn't you? So anyway, let's suss out the new Tower Burger from KFC. Right. Now this burger costs $8.95. Oh yeah, have a look at that. It looks alright. It's got the sesame seed bun. Now underneath here it's got, well, it looks like some special sauce there. You've got an original fillet. Looking a bit scabby on the old coatings there, cobbers. We've got a hash brown, and then we've got some cheese, lettuce, and what looks like mayo. And it sort of looks like an elephant might have stepped on it at some stage of its creation. Now, it doesn't look like the most appealing burger, does it? It looks a little bit, well, average. And, well, it's got a hash brown on here. It tastes like one too. Now, this cheese looks like a Kraft single, doesn't it? Normally, they're like an orange-coloured cheese. They must have run out and had to whip down the Coles and go and get a Kraft single or something. Anyway, that's all right. How about we just start diving on in? Well, look at that piece of chicken, mate. It is a solid piece of chook, that one. I'm tasting the original recipe on this and the cheese, but once again, I can't taste that hash brown. It might as well not be there. And I can taste the lettuce and the mayo, but besides that, mate, it's just a chicken burger with a hash brown that I can't even taste. Still tastes good though, and I am still enjoying it. Now the mayo adds a nice creaminess to this, but it's got that tangy sauce on the top, which doesn't look like there's much, but you can really taste that tanginess that runs through this burger. It actually tastes pretty good, and even though I can't taste some of the things on it, the things that I can taste, pretty nice. You know it. Now this is a pretty good burger, but it's got that really big piece of chicken in there, and sometimes that chicken can get hard and chewy. Which means you got to be chewing on KFC for a couple of minutes. Which I don't mind, really. I wish it was this thick so, you know, I could chew on it for a couple of days. But I think I've had enough of it now to know what score I'm going to give it. Out of 10, $8.95. Well, that's about the going rate, isn't it, for a burger? Who cares how much it costs? It's KFC. They should make it $150 flavour-wise. Well, I mean, it tastes all right. The tanginess of the sauce and the cheese and the mayo in there, that's pretty good. The original recipe chicken, of course, is sensational. And the cheese, yep. The special sauce stuff on there as well. Tangy sauce it is. Well, you can taste it. You can taste it all, actually, except for that hash brown, which probably has no point being there whatsoever, as it doesn't really add any beneficial effects or umamis to this burger. But besides that, it's pretty good. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Tower Burger from KFC, I'm going to give it a 7.1 out of 10. Last one I had, I gave it an 8.4. I mean, it does taste pretty good, but I don't know, it's probably just not doing it for me. And well, I've had better burgers. This one's a bit average. It looks messy, it tastes a bit messy, but it tastes all right, and I'm pretty sure if you went and got one, I know you're gonna like it. And because it's Tuesday, they also have some other specials on. And of course, I could not resist the main special of today. Oh, yeah! 9 pieces of original recipe chicken for $10.95. Giddy up, sunshines! Actually, those people in there need to learn how to coat their chickens a bit better. It's getting a bit thin on the old edges. Coat your chickens, I want it that thick and coating, thanks! Well, there's my dinner for the next 3 nights. 3 pieces every night for dinner. I'm living the dream! But I'm going to sit here and finish this off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll review something. See you then.
Oh yeah.